So we're doing a valve cover gasket on a 3.0 Audi, and I'm going to show you there's two different ways you can remove this breather hose. Everybody breaks these breather hoses when they take them out, so we're going to show you a trick to save you from breaking them. This way you ain't got to get a new one. There's two different styles depending on the year, I guess, or whatever, but let's go. We'll go ahead. We're going to take this one off first to show you how you could take this out. He does this in no time. You see that? You get yourself a pick and a screwdriver. Now you're just going, that's it. Look at that. It ain't broke. That's how you take it off. Pick, tech driver. That was a little baby tech driver or whatever, flat blade screwdriver, whatever you got, something small. That's how you take it off.